During the 1950s, African Americans had a milestone on TV in Blacks in America. There was organizations that probably obtained images on social media pages or on the internet and enhanced the photos to get their point across. Some dangers of enhancing photos could get the wrong image from the photos or not being able to enhance the photo how we would like it. Just trying to stop racism through a photo is hard, and to get the feeling and emotion through one picture is pretty impossible. But the African Americans, they were able to stop that and keep moving forward and show themselves in the TV world and get the respect. Gaining Black American television actors was a great way for society to see the background of African Americans and how they were wanted to become an American